Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to unfollow someone on Boloup. So all you have to do is to log into your Boloup app, log into your Boloup account, click on the chats you followed. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the good sign there. Just click on it. So you're going to see an option that says confirm to unfollow. So you just have to confirm your decision by clicking on OK. So you can see I have unfollowed this person. Until I change my mind, I can just click on the plus icon and follow the person again. So guys, that is it on how to unfollow someone on Boloup. If this video was helpful, do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.